hoffe, Sie haben es sich an Bord inzwischen bequem gemacht und ich wünsche Ihnen jetzt im Namen der gesamten Crew einen schönen Aufenthalt. Wir werden uns nur, wenn nötig, heute Nacht bei Ihnen zurückmelden und natürlich mit dem neuesten Wetter aus München. Dankeschön und eine gute Reise. Ich möchte noch ergänzen, dass wir vor dem Abflug das Flugzeug enteisen. Hier an der Parkposition wird gleich ein Sprühwagen kommen, der die Flächen, die Flügel und die Ölflosse von ein bisschen Schnee und Eis befreit und dann kann es auch losgehen. Dankeschön. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board on this flight to Munich. Your captain speaking. My name is Wolf Stöckel. Happy to have you on board. And thanks for waiting for us. We had some delay tonight due to the incoming aircraft. This one, which had a technical inspection on the ground at Munich airport, took about 35 minutes and then it was on the way. So we have to make up some of this time. We hope to be able to, because we have some tailwinds pushing us to Munich tonight. The ride will take us initially to the coastline. We will follow the coastline to Newfoundland, go straight to London, fly over Ostend to Frankfurt and then direct to the Munich airport, where the weather forecast is pretty good. We expect no snow and no ice, just a little bit of rain and windy conditions in the morning time. Forecast for the next couple of days is not that bad. It should be in the 50s. And from our side, we hope you're comfortable, enjoy the trip. The aircraft will be de-iced in a few moments. We have a little bit of ice and snow on the wings that have to be removed. After that, we'll be ready for departure. Thank you for your attention. Once again, thanks for your patience and have a good trip.
Cabin attendants, all doors in flight and cross-check please. Bitte 3 links umstellen, danke.